This is Sasquatch Piper 2, y'all. Um, we're on Canoe Creek Trails. Yes, sir. This is just in my backyard. I'm so thankful. I'm gonna turn you around. Here we go. Hmm. Really thankful. This is back here. I enjoy walking these trails. Um, Beautiful place. I'm smoking on my. We'll stop here for a second. On my freehand, my Dr. Grable freehand. And look at that stem. Can you see that stem? That was a happy accident. This was from 2004, and it came in when I was working at that secondhand store. Don't want to say their name, Goodwill. So I uh, it came in. We had to put it out. You know, we got a whole big bag of briar pipes, old, probably from, this is the newer one probably, this is 2004. The rest of them probably dated back in the 50s and 60s probably. And man, I really love this one, but it had a lot of use on the stem, so I boiled it. Um, I even used a little bit of alcohol, but the boiling gave it that, made it turn that brown. I love that brown. That's why I call it a happy accident, as old Ross would say. But in it, I've got slowly but surely becoming one of my all-time favorite blends, and it's Fox and Hound. It's an English blend. This thing has got all kinds of stuff in it. It's a traditional mixture of red Virginia. Hold on. Sorry. Red Virginia, Turkish, Burley, Latakia, and Perique. Oh my goodness, it is cram-packed and it is delicious. But let's see if I can get this going again. There we go. Just walking along here, having a good old time. It's beautiful back here. This is Sasquatch's favorite place to be. But went to the doctor today. Great checkup. Um, my blood pressure was 130 over 80. Uh, Heart rate was good. Oxygen level was perfect. Uh, Everything was looking good. She said in a couple months she's going to have me come back, and if it's still looking this way, she's thinking about taking me off a few of my blood pressure medicines. So can't wait for that. But I've been doing a little more exercising, heck of a lot more work, a lot more water intake. And paying off. I've lost 20 pounds too. Hmm. This Tobacco Galleria is from Sutliff Tobacco Company. Good stuff. Sutliff. Nice English blend. But listen, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. But just gonna keep on going around. And well, let's go look and see before I get off here. Let's go. We're almost to the creek. This is Canoe Creek. Canoe Creek winds and turns all the way across Henderson County and just keeps on going. And it goes uh, all the way to the Ohio River. And they've made these trails, they call it Canoe Creek Trails. Woo, she's kind of low. Here we go. That nice cornfield. Canoe Creek. She's way low, way low. We've been dry around here, real dry. It's beautiful back here. But listen, I'm gonna get off here. Enjoy your day, y'all. Get out there, have some fun. Go see your doctors, and keep them smoking, okay?